All right, I got a good update for DIS. DIS, in my opinion, is setting up to test 106 to 104. Okay. Again, confirmation is key, and I'm going to explain some facts not present in these boxes. So let's just make sure you listen to this video. I've written some key areas, key numbers, um, and I will explain everything. So really the key numbers in this chart is all good. Okay, but then I'm going to be explaining some facts. Right now, as it stands, DIS, there's resistance in the 11150 area, and as we can't show power there every day that it cannot break above 1150 is a very bearish. It's bearish. It supports the bearish theme. But if they try to, there it is in a chop zone, and even 113, if less this breaks above 113, this plan will be valid. Except we need confirmation because they could just chop this, go nowhere, right? But usually when this stock breaks down to come and test these areas, it's very possible. Very, 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 very possible. And so the options can make 100% to 200% gains depending on how much they pull it back. All right, so before we engage in this plan, this needs to break below 110 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 500K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume isn't there, basically we need to watch this base below 110 and look for power and weakness towards 109.50 to 109. Okay, one of those in that area. So if we get the volume as we break 110, it's a good way. It's a good time to engage in these 110 puts. If not, you want to watch it base below 110 and look for power towards 109 and a half to 109 to 109. All right, let's go take a look at the options, people. What I'm talking about here. All right, here we're at the Yahoo Finance Board. Disney closed today at 111.03, up 19 cents. Okay, so I'm talking about this weakness as, I see weakness in this as this is trying to go up. Okay, again, confirmation is key. So now let's go take a look at the April 21 110 puts. Let's go take a look at it. And right now, as it stands, just for educational purposes, this closed at these options closed at 1.49. So when these confirm, they might confirm around $2 a piece. We'll say. We'll say. Now, if you can see, there's some good open interest here. Not a much trading today happening, and you know what's nice about these spreads? It's not a bad spread. I watched it myself. The option spreads were pretty tight. Again, a lot of open interest on the puts over here. You can see that all the way to lower numbers. So there's a lot of open interest over here. Not much trading happening, but there is open interest. That'll change again. I guess depends on how we break towards a key levels. All right, people. So the key here is for this to confirm. We know there's a lot of resistance towards 11 and a half to 13, but still, this is in a chop zone that is showing me a weakness based on my visionary lines that this will move lower. The April options does give this time. This is a slow-moving stock. However, this gap, coming to fill this gap is not is a possibility. So there you have, people. Again, listen carefully to what I said in this plan. Um, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trade, you should. I make a lot of great video updates, and in my plans, I explain the facts, people. Okay, confirmation is key. Nothing is written in stone until we can confirm. But I tell you, when things confirm, like my BA plan just a few weeks ago, what a super trader was. It was a huge 8-day in a row moving up higher, 400% gains in options. It confirmed properly. It gave multiple chances to get in. It was a super trade. Anyways, people, you see the Sandro Power Trick or Trade? You're going to see it appear here in a circle. Simply click on it, and you can easily subscribe. By subscribing to my YouTube channel, there's a lot of great links, like this link to my website, which has a lot of great videos, key videos that I have posted on there to educate and show the power of my timing and how well things work out when confirmation is confirmed. It's a great education, a lot of great educational videos, people. And again, you can be subscribed to an easy link to my Power Trick or Trade on Twitter, where I make updated comments if necessary on all my plans. So there you have it, people. A great video update. See the center power trigger trade again. It's going to appear here in a circle format. Click on that. It's going to make it very easy for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. A lot of great things happening here on Power Target Trades. Going to have super chat and live streaming in the future. So there you have it, people. Subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.